TEM stock analysis and price predictions for Tuesday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this very brief and short 1-minute video till the end to find out. Especially with Tempus AI, it's an interesting ticker. I'll put it this way, you know, this is how my chart's looking like. I'm definitely looking to take it further up, but catching the time, like the right timing, is crucial here, as with any ticker. But I'm saying this is very choppy, and beforehand here, like it started to kind of came back down into my demand zone, broke once, and then I'm looking for like a lower time frame entry, whilst it also gives me a second break above $65. Now, I've done this for freaking 45,000 videos, 5 years, and I've documented it all, you know, so I've seen what's working for me and what's not, and it's only in those last 5 years that I've spent tens of thousands of dollars on courses and mentors. You can see that with TEM, I have like so much receipts here with 8 results, and I'm looking for like a lower time frame entry, maybe Tuesday, if it gives rules, but if it doesn't, we freaking roll, you know, no need to freaking force stuff. So if you want to stay tuned and get free sales, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.